back, everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how I made a Angry Bird game as a ScratchJr project on the iPad. Let's have a quick run through first of all. So full screen, green to start. I can use the blue button to go up, green button to go down, and when I press the red it fires Angry Bird across, and I can just keep going until I take out all of the green pigs. There we go. Okay, so let's look through the characters. First of all, you've got the Angry Bird character, and there's the code there. Essentially, it's just can move up and down and fire across. The various pigs have got their own code to move where they are. Obviously, pause the video and screenshot if you want to follow the code. We've then got the blue button, the green button, and the red. Nice and simple game. I'm going to try and make a more advanced version of this. If you want to see that, please put a message in the comments, and also add any questions you might have in the comments. So once again, full screen to start, green flag, blue button moves the Angry Bird up. Let's try and hit that first pig first of all. Then it resets. Let's try and get both these two at the same time. Yes. I wonder if I can get these two as well. That one. And the final one. So I hope you enjoyed that. And have a good time making it. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.